Hi friends, today we will learn cursive letters I, U, V, W. Let's start. I will show the formation. Start from the third line. Draw a slanting line. Draw a slanting line, touch the second line. Draw a slanting line, touch the second line. Come down, touch the third line, make a tail. Slanting line, come down, touch this third line, make a tail, put a dot. Letter I. Letter U. Next letter U. Draw a slanting line. Draw a slanting line. Come down. Make a curve. Draw a slanting line. Come down. Make a curve. Come down. Make a tail. Letter U. Next letter V. Draw a slanting line. Draw a slanting line. Touch the second line. Come down. Again draw a slanting line. Touch the second line. Then make a loop. Draw a slanting line. Come down. Again draw a slanting line. Draw a slanting line. Come down. Again draw a slanting line. Make a loop. V. Letter V. Then letter W. Draw a slanting line. Draw a slanting line. Touch the second line. Come down. Make a curve. Draw a slanting line. Come down. Make a curve. Again make a curve. Draw a slanting line. Come down. Touch the third line. Draw a curve. Again make a curve. And make a loop. Letter W. Okay. Thank you.